So starting the test drive in this TrailBlazer, I love having the traditional 9-speed. This just makes more sense to me. Having shift points, feeling the transmission shift, even though it's subtle, I like having that there. Just feels more natural to me. And the pulls from the 1.3 liter are pretty good. Now this does give you 155 horsepower. The smaller 1.2 liter gives you 137, so not a huge difference, but there is a difference there. Now I'm gonna put it into the low there, and then I'll just see how it wants to shift. So it is a traditional transmission. It's not necessarily an auto mode or a manual shift mode, if you will. So it doesn't quite make a lot of sense to use that unless maybe you're pulling something. But let's go ahead and test out this cruise control. So I mean, the ride quality is very good. I like how easy it is just behind the steering wheel in terms of the steering dynamics, the gas pedal, the brake pedal. And then the sound acoustics are very good as well. Wind noise is deadened very nicely. Have a little bit of road noise, but nothing really noticeable unless you're listening for it. Now I do think that this is a nice bargain, especially if you need all-wheel drive. Just being around $27,000, having the all-wheel drive system, you have a few added packages as well that are very, very helpful. But I mean, compared to a Hyundai Kona, a Kia Soul, this is one of my favorites. The Kona, since they got the redesign for 24, that's been very nice, but there's something about the TrailBlazer. I feel like the 1.3 liter 3 cylinders won't be as bad as people want to make it seem like they'll be. And for instance, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro has a lifetime powertrain warranty, which covers those components there. So for whatever reason if you were having a catastrophic failure with one of those parts, that would be replaced under warranty. But I mean, if they're willing to put warranties on these kind of expensive fixes, I would expect that not to be something that happens regularly. But I guess only time will tell with these 3 cylinders that are turbocharged. The 9-speed automatic hasn't been around too long, but some of this stuff you just don't expect to go bad anytime soon. But I mean, I like how it drives. I do prefer the 9-speed automatic. The all-wheel drive is nice, especially in light snow conditions. And it's spacious while being small when you're on the road. Still safe, of course, but again, if you're looking for something, let's say you're a single person, even if you have a couple kids, the space in here is good for cargo, for passengers. The power is good, the fuel economy is good, and that's why these are some of GM's best sellers. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Chevy TrailBlazer in the LS trim level.